This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites and taking the first steps now. Verify IDP metadata, X, 509 certificate validity, and NTP time sync because small clock drift breaks tokens. Make sure the SB's ACS URL and entity ID match exact values in the IDP record. Mismatches are the most common failure. While you're at it, collect recent authentication logs and a browser console capture so you can reproduce the request. These artifacts will guide the next, deeper checks. Once done collecting data, decode the SAML or JWT assertion to inspect payload fields like audience, name ID, and time windows because they explain rejection reasons. Validate the signature and certificate chain against the IDP trust anchor and confirm encryption expectations align. Encrypted assertions require matching SB keys. Simulate a login and trace redirects to ensure relay state and ACS parameters persist. Intermittent proxy or load balancer rewrites often break assertions. Make incremental changes and retest to isolate the failing element. To finish, update and deploy corrected metadata or certificate rotations, then confirm clocks align within a few seconds because timing errors are silent killers. Run an end-to-end test using a clean browser session and a dedicated test account to avoid cached tokens. If the issue still occurs, enable debug-level logs on both IDP and SB and compare failing request/response samples side by side to pinpoint mismatches. One key troubleshooting tip: temporarily bypass intermediaries, proxies, WAF to rule out header or body rewrites.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.